some thoughts. They will be making some slime. So basically uh, everything that you need is glue, a stirring tool, and Tide laundry detergent, which is the activator. And the camera looks like a disgusting food, but so you can put in the glue. Might be making my slime like the next 5 days, but no. Now I'm just glue in my hands, so I'm gonna go on my hair first because I'm moving on the bed. You guys could also add color, but I want white. Actually, it's gonna be green, but not really here. Mix that all in. Okay, I'm gonna go onto my hands, even though it's only been like a little bit of mixing, but I could tell it's for me to mix. It's my hands. Oh. I'm mixing in with one hand because the other one is for opening it. Um, oh, God. Once I make the slime, it's kind of really sticky. It's like kind of sticky like mine when I have my activator. It's not that green though. Oh shoot. My leg. Ugh. I could glue a slime, but whatever it is. And the more make sure I can. Oh my god. It's really stretchy. I'll be making more slime next week or this week, I'm not sure, but I'll be making more slime. Oh, okay, so today I have to get the $5 to do it. And the bullets now. It's like the two activators and then I'm really after and then anyways. I also maybe will be making some slime on Sunday. I will just put on Friday. No! Oh shoot! Oh my god, it's so funny. Okay. Shoot. Anyway. Some people use water as an activator. I don't really get that. Oh my gosh. This is so different, guys. You guys are totally mine. I got almost everything on my face. Anyway, put my hand up on, guys. I got almost everything out of my bowl. It's like completely empty. And this slime is very sticky. So, it's only sticky to like clothing. Not really this clothing, but it's like sticky to my bed. Yeah. So here's the slime. It's really sticky. Oh, I don't want to add any color to it though, because I really like it. Actually, know it breaks your heart. Oh shoot. Oh. Guys, I love this one. Love this one. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to click the like button down in the description down below and like this video. So yeah, click the like button, subscribe to my dad's channel, and he usually just thanks me and things. But yeah, subscribe to his channel and click the like button. And yeah, bye.